Hi, I am Kiran Kumar. I work for ACE Engineering Academy. First of all, congratulations to all the GATE qualified students. You must be wondering as to what specialization you have to choose in your M.Tech program, and I presume that this video will be of some help to you. Now, if you choose an institution, be it an NIT or IIT or any other college, the most popular specializations for electronics and communication are Microelectronics and VLSI design, you have communications and signal processing, you have control and automation, the integrated circuits and systems, RF microwave and photonics. Let us go through one by one. Now, if you are a student who has enjoyed analog and digital design, then this course is for you, because in this course you will have a lot to learn about device modeling, analog electronic circuits, you have VLSI technology, digital systems using FPGA and the ASIC design. And there are so many other elective interesting courses like design for test. You can study about the DSP architectures, the embedded systems, and VLSI power management circuits. But once you finish your M.Tech program, you can see that there are so many startup companies which work on which will give you the verification roles, and of course there are big players in the industry like the Synopsys, you have Cadence, you have IBM, Intel, ARM, AMD, and all these big players are there in the industry. Let us look at communications and signal processing. The foundation for this course is a strong background on probability and random variables. A student is expected to know basic transform theory, communication systems, and digital signal processing. And what you learn in this course is mainly coding theory, wireless communication, speech and image signal processing. You have computational imaging and optical and data networks. See, if you see, most of the colleges, they offer comprehensive lab facilities where the implementation is done on digital signal processing. And the scope, once you finish M.Tech, like I said, there are so many startup companies, but the big paymasters in this field are Red Pine Signals, you have Qualcomm, you have Intel, you have SanDisk, and you have Samsung, and of course analog devices. Let us look at control and automation. Nowadays diverse areas like the energy systems, infrastructural management, transportation and healthcare are increasingly reliant on the progress of this discipline, and there are certain IITs we are even being funded by DRDO and Emerson and Nissan for their research projects in this particular field. A student who takes control and automation is aimed at subjects like the system modeling, system analysis, controller design, and different instrumentation methods. And students will also have an opportunity to work with healthcare professionals to provide technology solutions to healthcare. But once you finish control and automation, you have a better scope. There are good paymasters like General Electric, you have Honeywell, you have Amazon, and so on. Let us look at RF microwave and photonics. Even though the photonics era began in the 1960s with the invention of laser, this field has had a huge impact in the field of telecommunications only in the late 1970s. In the realm of photonics, a student is expected to learn about generation, transmission, modulation, amplification, switching, and sensing. But in the realm of RF microwave, a student is expected to learn about satellite remote sensing, inverse microwave imaging, computational electromagnetics, fiber optic systems, optical communication, and smart antenna for mobile communication. Now, when it comes to science oriented jobs, this is considered to be a high tech job and a high paying job. There are many paymasters even in this field like the advanced photonics, we have Eagle Photonics, and we have Quality Photonics Limited, and this particular field has better chances of traveling abroad. See, ultimately it is the student who should know what exactly he wants from his life. It could be a PSU job, or it could be a master's degree or a Ph.D. See, these days students are much matured enough, they know their core competencies. Even if they do not get M.Tech degree from NIT or IIT, they try to do their M.Tech in normal engineering colleges, and once they come out, they will try to work for very low pay for some startup companies, but with sheer passion and consistent effort. After 2 or 3 years, they finally get back into big companies like the Intel and AMD. So, it is only that sheer passion and consistent effort that will give you results. Well, please try to download the cutoff for what you call PSUs and IITs and NITs given in the description. So, it is time for me to leave. Thank you for watching. My best wishes and good luck.